Facilitating meaningful learning in and out of school, strategies and role of teacher. Pay 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Facilitating meaningful learning in and out of school, strategies and role of teacher. Introduction. Meaningful learning means learning that is useful, connected to real life, and helps students understand concepts deeply, not just memorize facts. It helps students apply knowledge in real situations, think critically, and become confident learners. In India, due to pressure from exams and syllabus, learning often becomes rote or mechanical. But meaningful learning can be encouraged through various strategies and the active role of teachers. A. Strategies to facilitate meaningful learning. 1. Activity-based learning. Use games, experiments, projects, and role plays to make learning interesting. Example, in science, instead of just reading about plants, students can grow one at home and observe it. 2. Connecting learning with real life. Teach concepts using everyday examples from students' lives. Example, use a local market to teach math, addition, subtraction, money handling. 3. Use of technology and multimedia. Show educational videos, animations, or use smart classes. Encourage students to use mobile apps or watch documentaries related to topics. 4. Group work and peer learning. Allow students to work in groups and learn from each other. This builds communication, cooperation, and leadership. 5. Outdoor learning and field visits. Organize visits to farms, museums, science parks, or local businesses. Helps students relate textbook knowledge with the outside world. 6. Inquiry-based learning. Encourage students to ask questions, think deeply, and solve problems. Example, instead of giving all answers, guide students to discover the answer. 7. Value education and life skills. Teach values, discipline, health habits, and emotional skills along with academics. Help students grow as good human beings and responsible citizens. B. Role of the teacher in facilitating meaningful learning. 1. Guide and facilitator. A teacher should not only give lectures but guide students to explore and learn. Example, give hints and tools, let students find answers through activities. 2. Understanding learners' needs. Know the interests, background, and learning level of each child. Use different methods to suit different students, visual, verbal, hands-on. 3. Encouraging curiosity and questions. Create a classroom where students feel free to ask doubts. Never discourage or laugh at a student's question. 4. Creating a positive learning environment. Make the classroom safe, friendly, and motivating. Use praise and encouragement to build confidence. 5. Continuous assessment and feedback. Give regular feedback through quizzes, discussions, classwork, not just exams. Use mistakes as chances to improve, not punish. 6. Collaborating with parents and community. Involve parents in the learning process, home projects, reading habits. Invite local experts, like a farmer or doctor, to share real-world knowledge. 7. Promoting learning outside school. Encourage reading storybooks, watching educational shows, or visiting learning places. Assign home activities that involve family members. C. Indian context, importance and challenges. In India, many children are first-generation learners with less support at home. Teachers play a big role in motivating students and making learning joyful. Schools must go beyond textbooks and exams and focus on skill development, creativity, and values. NEP 2020 New Education Policy also emphasizes experiential learning, critical thinking, and flexible learning pathways. Conclusion. To make learning meaningful, both school and outside environments must be used wisely. Teachers are the key. They must move from being just instructors to becoming guides, mentors, and motivators. Through creative strategies, real life examples, emotional support, and continuous engagement, teachers can help children become not just good students but confident and capable citizens of tomorrow.